Understanding the phrase, throwing a Hail Mary in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and widely used expression in the English language, throwing a Hail Mary. This phrase has a fascinating origin and usage, which we'll explore together. So, if you've ever heard it and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Throwing a Hail Mary is a phrase that signifies making a last-ditch effort or taking a final, desperate attempt to achieve something when the odds of success are very slim. It's like a long-shot effort that you hope will work out, even though it seems almost impossible. The term, Hail Mary, originally comes from American football. A Hail Mary pass is a very long forward pass, typically made in desperation, with only a small chance of success, especially at the end of a half. The name comes from the Hail Mary prayer in Catholicism, symbolizing a plea for divine help in a hopeless situation. Interestingly, the phrase has transcended sports and is now used in various contexts, including business, politics, and everyday life, to describe any last-minute attempt to resolve a difficult situation. Let's look at a few examples to understand how throwing a Hail Mary is used outside of football. 1. In business, the company was failing, so they decided to throw a Hail Mary by launching a revolutionary new product. 2. In examinations, I didn't study much for the test, so I threw a Hail Mary by guessing most of the answers. 3. In personal situations, he knew it was a long shot, but he threw a Hail Mary by applying for his dream job overseas. These examples illustrate how the phrase can be adapted to various situations where there's a slim chance of success, but the person or group decides to try their luck anyway. Throwing a Hail Mary is not just a phrase. It's a concept that represents hope, determination, and the willingness to take risks in the face of adversity. Its use across different domains showcases its versatility and the cultural resonance of sports terminology in American English. Understanding such phrases enriches our comprehension of language and its dynamic nature. Thank you for watching our video on throwing a Hail Mary. We hope this explanation sheds light on this interesting phrase and its application in various aspects of life. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories and meanings behind them. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.